Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. And in this video, I'm going to continue the series of Tableau functions. So today we're going to discuss about a Tableau function called sudden function. Well, sudden function is a very simple function to understand. It is basically, it's kind of a if-else statement. And function is basically used to convert any null value into a zero value. I mean, if you have null values, null row in your data set, and if you want to create some calculation on top of those values, obviously null values you can't do any kind of arithmetic calculations on them, so you have to convert them into zero. So in that case you can use sudden function. You can debate that, okay, this can be done using a simple if-else statement as well, and I very much agree with that. But why to write even 2 lines of code or 2 lines of calculation when you can get it done with a very simple and easy to use function? So let us straight jump into Tableau. Here you can see I have created an adjusted sales column which will be having a few null values. This calculation has been created just for the purpose of this video. I'll quickly add the order date. And I will drag the adjusted sales. There you go. You can see the adjusted sales column, it is having a lot of null values in it. So now what we want to do next is, we don't really want to deal with those null rows, rather we want it to convert into zero instead of null. So in order to do so, what we can do is just create a calculation. You can rename it to, you can rename it to sudden sales. Use the sudden function. In sudden function, you just simply have to drag the name of the calculation, column, dimension, measure, whatever it is. So I'll just drag adjusted sale in here, apply, okay, drag it to the rows. As simple as that. This is how, ladies and gentlemen, you use sudden function in your Tableau, in your day-to-day work. And obviously you can look for various multiple use cases of this function. If you like this video, please hit the like button, do share, do subscribe, and stay tuned for such amazing videos. See you. Bye-bye.